The train journey from Kochi creates an extraordinary experience that does not exist anywhere else. The train journey starts from Kochi, which makes the travel experience everlasting. In Kerala, which people call God's own country, every window seat presents a view that resembles a traveling postcard. Today, we are traveling from Kochi on a train that will take us through endless coconut trees and lush greenery, and shimmering backwaters and peaceful village life. The window serves as a viewing point for the outside world. The tall coconut palms move back and forth because of the warm breeze. The slender trunks of the trees reach up to the blue sky which lies above them. The coconut trees extend in an unending line which resembles a natural welcome parade. The scene presents itself as a complete work of art, which includes banana plants and paddy fields that shine with bright green, and village paths that connect the two. The place offers more than visual beauty. The people of Kerala live their lives in a peaceful way, which shows their deep connection to nature. The train currently travels through quaint small towns. Women hang their colorful clothes to dry in front of their residences. The local community activities operate according to their established pace. Laundry items move through the air. The specialness of Indian train journeys comes from the small moments which reveal authentic, unspoiled, real life. The experience becomes more enchanting when you travel during the monsoon season. Raindrops slide down the window. The fields turn a deeper shade of green. Mist drifts through the space between palm trees. The scent of wet earth rises into the air. The rainy season transforms Kerala into an extraordinary poetic experience. The train moves forward, steady and rhythmic, carrying stories together with people and memories. A train journey from Kochi is not just travel. The experience shows the beauty of taking time to enjoy life. People should pick window seats when they visit Kerala. They should let the breeze touch their face. They should watch the coconut trees race alongside them. People should just Enjoy the experience of traveling.